Hi, Richard from Total Parts Plus here. Today we have a 2013 Kia Sportage SI, stock reference number 5503. This shape runs from the 4th of 2013 to the 4th of 2014. It has a G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. We have a G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, left-hand headlight, left-hand indicator, left-hand guard, one dent, left-hand mirror, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rims with good tyres, left-hand front door, left rear door, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rims with good tyres, left-hand taillight, left-hand garnish, boot lid, right-hand taillight, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rims, good tyres, right rear door, one dent, right front door, one dent, right hand rear view, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rims, good tyres, right front door trim, right hand master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, center console, interior mirror, courtesy light, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke steering wheel, cruise, audio and phone buttons.